Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Malibu key fob. Before we begin, make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. It's also crucial to have all your key fobs ready, including any existing ones, as you will program them all at once. For the most accurate instructions, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual, as steps can vary slightly between models. This process typically takes only a few minutes. To begin, manually unlock your driver's side door using your physical key. Once inside, make sure all vehicle doors are completely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate your dashboard lights and activate the radio, but do not start the engine. This prepares your vehicle for the next step in the programming sequence, ensuring it's ready to receive the new key fob information. While still holding down the unlock button on the driver's door, quickly turn your ignition key from the on position to off, then back to on, and finally to off again. This sequence should be performed in quick succession. After completing this, release the driver's door unlock button. You will hear the vehicle's door lock cycle, indicating that your Malibu is now in programming mode and ready to learn your key fob. Now, take your key fob and simultaneously press and hold both the unlock and lock buttons. Continue holding them until you hear the door lock cycle once more. This second cycle confirms that your key fob has been successfully programmed to your vehicle. To exit the programming mode, simply reinsert the newly programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Your key fob should now be fully functional and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.